My favorite thing in my craft room is my HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2. We are going to be using this to create some amazing custom gifts today. So here is what we are going to be working on. We have got some magnets here, sublimation ready, sublimation wood ornament. I have got a cotton golf towel. I have got 2 pieces of raw wood. One is going to be a money holder. One is going to be a gift card holder. I've got the big round circle. That is going to be a sign. I have a sublimation puzzle here, and I have a piece of raw wood that we are going to be making a coaster with. I am going to be starting with the wood sign. So I am going to put the sublimation design on this first, and then we'll add the DTF. So I have got my HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2 heating up. I'm going to be pressing the sublimation at 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. So we're warming up here, and I wanted to show you that on my pressing mat, I do add a silicone mat to that. I get a good firm pressure on these hard substrates. So I'll have links below for items that I've used. So I'm starting with my sublimation design on this piece of wood first. So I have pre-printed my sublimation designs, and my sublimation printer only prints 8.5 inches, and these are much bigger than that. So what I did is I took 8.5 by 14 sublimation paper, and I did 2 pieces of paper, and now I have them trimmed down and ready to be placed on my wood. All right, so you can see that we are up to our 385 degrees, and we're going to be pressing for 60 seconds, and I have it on the highest pressure setting. Now, I have my design taped in place, and I do not want to press in the area that's going to have our DTF. I don't want to get any residue on there, so I'm going to be covering that with a piece of protective paper. But as you can see here, I have actually taped this onto the paper so that it doesn't move as well. So we're going to put this protective piece on, and now we'll get this pressed. I really enjoy making custom items for gifts. So the press just finished, so I'll let this cool down, and then I will remove the sublimation design. But now we need to turn our temperature down because we are going to be pressing the DTF on at 355 degrees, and we are also only going to be, oops, that's the pressure. That's not the one I wanted here. We are going to be pressing that for about 25 seconds, and then I'll repress. And I've removed our sublimation paper, and it looks perfect. Now I have added our DTF design on, and so I'm going to make sure that I have this centered. And then I am going to put a Teflon sheet on, and now we are going to press this image for 25 seconds, and then I have to let it cool completely because my DTF is a cool peel. And here we go. So now you can see that I have peeled off my film, and I'm just going to put a Teflon sheet over this, and I'm going to press for another 5 to 10 seconds just to make sure that it's set real well. And here it is after the second press. It's super hot right now. But now I will get this finished. I'll decorate it up a little bit. So I'm going to do this first gift card or gift money tag, and I have my DTF image on here. So I am going to be pressing this at 355 degrees for 25 seconds on this raw wood. All right, and here we go. All right, it's pressed, and now I'm going to let it cool down and then peel. And I am going to be pressing this DTF image on my golf towel. So I am going to add some protective paper on here because this black golf towel does leave some residue on my press. So now we're going to be pressing this for 25 seconds. And again, this is a cool peel, so I'm going to let this cool down and then press it again for 5 seconds. And here it is completed. And here is our rough cut wood that we are going to be using for a coaster and the DTF print. So I have this piece of wood pressed, and now I have to make sure that this cools down 100% because this is a cool peel, and then I will press it again for 5 to 10 seconds. Now I am getting my HTVRONT 2 heated up to 385 degrees because we are going to be putting this sublimation image on this wood, and we are going to be pressing at firm pressure for 60 seconds. So we are up to temperature. So I am going to get this wood tag pressed. So I have repressed these DTF. They look perfect. Wonderful, wonderful. I've got that repressed. And here is the sublimation. So now we're going to be doing sublimation magnets. Now these are sublimation ready magnets, and I'm going to be securing these onto my images, and then I am going to press. So I have my magnets secured in place. Now I'm going to flip them, and I'm going to be pressing these 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. All right, here it is right after pressing. These are very hot. So I'm going to flip them over and let them cool a bit before I take the tape off. And these turned out amazing. You can see just how crisp and clear they are. Now we are going to be doing our sublimation MDF ornament. So you want to make sure that you remove this film from both sides of the sublimation ready ornament. And we have our sublimation print here. So now I have used heat resistant tape and I have my design in place. So I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to press 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds with good firm pressure. It is so nice that the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2 opens by itself when it's complete, and this is very hot, but I am going to let this cool down completely before I take the tape off, because this wood, sometimes the tape will stick if it's not cooled down completely. And here is our MDF ornament. It turned out so well. And now I'm going to be doing a sublimation ready puzzle with my sublimation image of my godson. As you can see, I make my image slightly larger than the puzzle so that I don't have any white after pressing. This is how I am going to be pressing. I have my puzzle down. I left the cardboard underneath it. I want my puzzle face up. Now I'm going to put my sublimation image on top of the puzzle, get it all lined up, and then I'm going to heat tape it down right to our protective paper. And as you can see, I'm using HTVRONT sublimation paper as well. So I have my image taped in place on the puzzle, and I'm going to be pressing this 385 degrees for 60 seconds. And our puzzle is almost done. And again, the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2 opens automatically. I am so excited to see this puzzle. Here we go. Oh my goodness, how adorable is this? I know I have a lot of light coming through my window, so I'll move this around so that you can see just how great this turned out. Sorry about the reflection. And I'm also sorry for my wiggliness. I still have my broken leg. And here are all of our gifts together, all made by the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2. You will want to check out my links below because HTVRONT is having their Black Friday sale for 2025. So check out the links and look at the dates that they are available. You can see here that we have our gift card holder here, and we have the lip balm case for the money. I'll have links below for these as well. Here is our sign. our sublimation puzzle, sublimation magnets. The coaster is DTF, and again, our sublimation ornament and our DTF golf towel. So we got a lot of personalized gifts out of this. See links below, leave me a comment, and have a great day. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.